everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video episode, I'm going to show you how to create Instagram story highlights cover. If you want to create a polished look for your Instagram highlights and draw attention to your best Instagram story content, then you can go ahead and create an Instagram highlight cover. Keep watching the video till the end in order to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. To create an Instagram highlight cover, tap open your Instagram application. Make sure you're signed into your Instagram and go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile picture. As soon as it opens up your profile for Instagram, you'll be able to see your highlight covers right below the edit profile button. To keep your best story contents at the top of your Instagram profile, scroll all the way towards the left side and tap on the new button. Now, choose the highlight you want to add to your story. Once you do that, tap on the next button at the top right, and now you've created a highlight cover for yourself. Type in the name for your highlight. If you would like to edit the cover, tap on Edit Cover and choose the picture that you would like to set as a cover image, and tap on Done at the top right. As you can see that your highlight cover image has been changed. Now tap on Done at the top right corner, and that way you have added an Instagram story highlight cover for yourself. If you use Instagram, you already know that Instagram gives you an archive of a story going back years from where you can choose for the post that you've made and add it on your Instagram highlights. That is how you can easily do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.